What is price scraping and how does it work? Think of a price scraper as a digital spider, a web crawler that travels across the internet collecting this data. It visits product pages, extracts the required information, and sends it to an analytics platform for processing. Price scraping is the automated process of collecting product information, such as prices and stock availability, from online stores, marketplaces, and other websites. But price scraping is more complex than it sounds. Websites frequently change their structure, use CAPTCHA, dynamic content, and other anti-scraping technologies. That means a scraper must be continuously updated and optimized to ensure accurate and reliable data collection. That's why many businesses rely on professional price monitoring solutions. At Price Control, we've developed a proprietary scraping system that can be adapted to virtually any pricing intelligence task. While our platform automatically monitors the market, you receive actionable insights and can focus on making informed business decisions instead of gathering data.